Now today's altcoin of the day is going to be on SEI. Apparently it's Sui's catch-up trade. Or a Sui competitor rather. Additionally, much like Sui, we have a hack on this chart. But before I spill the juice on that, here are some of the bullish developments that I'm seeing on this chart. Bullish development number 1, we're threatening to break out of a beautiful cup and handle formation. This right here is the cup, this right here is the handle. We are currently threatening the neckline of that pattern. The target to which would take SEI all the way up to all-time high that comes in at around $1.24. Guys, think about that trade. That range alone is a good 150% to the upside. Now don't worry, I will be giving you guys the next bid opportunities that I see on this chart, but 150% on that next swing. That's a pretty handsome trade to be had. Now bullish development number 2 can be found on the daily time frame. Get onto that and you'll find that we officially have a golden cross. Price had been trying to confirm that golden cross for some time now, since October, and with every time we came close to that convergence, prices dumped into the 2 EMAs. Your golden cross is made out of your 200 EMA as well as your 55 exponential moving average. And we finally have a confirmation on the golden cross. If you are someone like me and you like forecasting the next pattern play, you can also see a very, very beautiful inverted head and shoulders pattern actually in formation right now. All right, the neckline to which would be this right here, in line with the neckline of the cup and handle formation as well. Now, for those of you who want to jump further into pattern trading, check out the Mango Sprouts program. Module 8 is going to be specifically on patterns, reversal patterns, continuation patterns. Module 7 just dropped, which was on price gaps. So I'm excited for this next one. Go ahead and check it out if you guys are interested. You can find it on the mango8.com/sprouts. We are running a bull market campaign where you get 6 months of dashboard for free if you jump into the Sprouts program. So go ahead and check it out. Now, bullish development number 3 is actually going to be found on the Mango dashboard. So get into the Mango dashboard, app.mangoresearch.co. First of all, let's take a minute to appreciate all of the returns on all the coins right now on the front page. That's insane. If you caught any of these trades, you are up significantly. The trade on Pepe was 97%. Say you didn't catch any of the videos, you were only following the trends on the Mango dashboard, you're up significantly on these trades. Also, make sure to check out the premium video section today. I did post a brand new trade setup. I'm seeing a crazy 60% on this trade that I posted today, so definitely check it out. We're seeing a bit of a trend reset here on SEI. When it was previously bearish on the lower time frames, that has now flipped neutral. Check out the 12-hour time frame. If I hover over it, you can see that the previous trend was short. It flipped neutral just now. And as far as the 4-hour time frame is concerned, the bears are losing the battle. As soon as the 4 hours starts flipping long, I'm saying, hey, game on. SEI is catching a bid and we're going to start moving to the upside. So make sure you have that alert set in if you want to know when the trend flips. Now, as far as the daily and the 2-day are concerned, guys, that is still very much bullish, and I think we can all agree with that. So far, what seems to be playing out is price on the daily uptrend has just come down to put in a higher low. This is how trends move, right? Higher highs, higher lows on your trends. And as traders, you need to make it your business to capture the dips, those higher lows on the chart, because think of how easy it's going to be for you to manage that trade. You don't need to wait too long to figure out if you're right on the trade direction or if you are wrong. If you're wrong on the trade, you can find out rather quickly, and you can either get out at break even or a minimal loss. That is the advantage of catching those higher lows on the chart. Now, as far as the next trade opportunity is concerned, this is where our hack comes into play. Now, much like Sui, SEI also has a very, very good signature on the 2-day time frame, once again relative to the Mango dynamic indicator. Go ahead and switch the dynamic indicator on. You'll notice that even on the previous uptrend right here, this is the 2-day time frame, on the uptrend, every visit of dynamic support, we had one right here, we had one more right here, we had one right here, a double bottom right here, one right here, until we broke in earnest. But notice how every time prices retrace down to the dynamic indicator support, that's where SEI actually caught a bid. If you caught any of your bids on dynamic support, you were rewarded almost immediately. You barely had to wait for that trade to work out, and that's the beautiful part about catching your trades on critical regions of support. You get to be an immediate beneficiary of that next leg to the upside, or if prices do move against you, you know immediately that, hey, you are wrong on the trade, now's the time to get out, but except you get to get out at a minimal loss, or even sometimes break even. So this indicator worked extremely well on the 2-day time frame, and notice it's only when we broke that support in earnest, got multiple candle closes underneath that region did we actually see the next markdown phase for SEI. Now that kept you really, really safe, right? Because you knew, hey, it's time to be taking profits because prices dumped to get 73% to the downside. Now, once again, we've reclaimed dynamic resistance, flipped it into support, and currently trending on that. So this right here is the fourth bullish development that I'm seeing on the chart. Price reclaiming dynamic resistance, flipping it into support. For those of you who do not have access to the indicator, but you want the bids on this region, go ahead and take note of them. It comes in from around 41 cents, going all the way down to 40 cents. All right, I will be annotating these numbers on my screen. For those of you who want access to the dynamic indicator, you can find us on the mango.com/dynamic. And speaking of trading, guys, I don't know if you've heard, but BetUnex right now is giving you $150 for free for a $200 deposit. Now, I want to say that it doesn't get any better than this, but what if I told you that there's no KYC on the exchange? So that means it's open to all jurisdictions right now, irrespective of where you are. All right, so this is a very, very generous campaign, and I believe it ends on November 23rd. So take advantage of it while it lasts. I will be linking the campaign down in the description below. So as far as the bid level for SEI is concerned, this would be it right here, dynamic support. Now, what is the invalidation on the trade? Remember, trading is always about probabilities, not certainties. Right? You can get stubborn on the trade. If prices start breaking this purple box territory, now once again, I'll be looking for candle closes under. You know that you're wrong on the trade, get out and reposition lower because chances are we're likely coming down lower. All right, keep it as simple as that. As far as targets to the upside are concerned, we have this beautiful head and shoulders pattern. If we start bouncing here in earnest, okay, the mesh move to which at the minimum, okay, we're looking at a target of 79 cents from the break all the way to 79 cents. That's a good 56% on the trade, a brilliant swing to be had. And the second target is none other than $1.24, which is going to send SEI to all-time highs. Okay, that's a good 138% from the breakout right there. Now, guys, if you have any other requests on any other altcoins you want me to cover, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to cover it for you in the upcoming videos. I will now catch you in the Discord chat. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.